Alright, hi everyone. It is time for another pattern. We're going to do CPT technique folded. That is sort of doing sort of a log cabin-like technique. Let's see, which page do I want to use? What's coming up? We don't have very many days left. I need to save one for blue. I'm going to save that one over there. One for night and one for Halloween. Neither of those look like night. None of the three of them look like night. There or there? I can't decide. Do this one. Okay, what color do I want to use? Blue. So, what shape do I want to use in this one? I think gonna be that shape. Why? I don't know. It's just what I chose to do. So the folded technique is basically just going around like this. Which is not the same as Paradox. You'll notice they're not going into the corner, they're just more like a log cabin type shape. I'm going to leave that in the middle there. Like that. This was a bad idea. I don't have a big, thick blue marker because my bag of markers is downstairs. So all I can do is color in with this little skinny thing. Bad idea, Dawn. Alrighty. That's sort of filled in. Not as good as I would have liked. Maybe if I go this way, it'll give it a little bit thicker look. That's better. Okay. I'm gonna make this one fatter. Sorry about the noise. It's trash day. That happens. That works. I'm going to do this one different. Instead of going all the way around, I'm just going to do just two sides like that. There are a lot of patterns out there that use this technique. Oops, I'm off screen. Sorry, guys. That means my tripod moved again. That happens every time I take my camera off. Change batteries. This is a very Art Deco look, this particular thing here. Like that. That's cool. And then here, I'm just going to fill the rest of this. Okay. Okay, and then a little bit of shading. This one needs some shading. I'm going to shade right here. And right here, and right here, right there, and these corners. Something like that. Okay, there we go. There's some folded techniques. That works. Doesn't need to be difficult, just needs to get done. I will see you guys tomorrow. I feel like I want to fill that in. Why is that? I don't know, but I do. I feel like I want to fill in here and here. And this. Thought I was done, but of course, you know, sometimes you got to listen to your art and do what it says. All right. Very cool. Yep, that's what I wanted. You wanted a little bit of dark down there. Okay, I will see you guys tomorrow. Let's finish off Inktober with a bang. We're almost there. You guys have a great day. See ya. Bye-bye.